Hello, Flannel Guy here. Thanks for stopping in again. I'm going to show you how to repair or replace this rear door handle on your car. In this case, it's going to be a Kia Sorento. It'll work on any Kia, Honda, Hyundai, pretty much any car that's got a rear handle that looks like this. So if it's your first time visiting the channel, what you'll find are a lot of DIY projects that you can do yourself, whether it's automotive. I did one to teach you how to recharge your air conditioning in the car, how to remove scratches, any projects for your home, things that you can do yourself. That's what you're going to find here. So if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. So what happened in this case is that this cap broke off, and if you can see this screw here, it screws into this piece of the cap where you can see it broken off in there. So basically what we needed was to replace this cap. However, if you call Kia, what they want to do is charge you $180 with tax included for this entire assembly, and then labor on top of that to install it. They wouldn't sell me just the cap, so I made a couple of other calls. They had a place called Kia Parts Direct. I was able to find the cap for $6.75 plus $10 shipping. Saved myself a ton of money. Didn't need this. What happens here is this goes inside and pulls a latch and opens the door. That's it. This piece is just a solid piece of plastic. So you can see the two caps side by side. You can see how this is the old one with this piece broken off, and now we've got a spot for that screw to set. So the way this works is this handle gets installed first, and then the cap second, and you screw the cap in and you're done. Do you see this black cap here? This is the access point to be able to unscrew this and reassemble the new cap. Okay? Now, virtually every car is going to have this spot for the rear door to get to the handle. Once I got it lifted a little bit, I can reach in with a screwdriver and pop the cap off. I'm not sure if you can see it in there, but there's the Phillips head screw. So we have to remove this little piece first because this was what was seated inside the old cap. Okay. That's it. And now we're going to back the screw out just a little bit, but not too far. I don't want this screw to come all the way back out because it might fall inside the door and then I'm screwed. Something you can't forget is that this gasket goes on before you put the handle back. So if you don't still have the gasket, you're going to have to buy this too, but I'm sure it won't be that expensive as long as you don't get it from the dealer. Now we're going to put the cap back, and then we'll screw it back in. I'm screwing the cap in from the back. And that's it, it's on. So the new cap is on. The door works perfectly. Another successful job. Hopefully this helped you. We saved a lot of money here. It would have been, like I said, $180 just for the handle, and then there'd be labor. Who knows, it could have been maybe $300. I bought the cap for $675 plus about $10 shipping. Did this all myself in just a few minutes, and another successful job, like I said. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Hit that subscribe button and check me out next week.